Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about socks. More importantly, about wool socks and how to store them. Everyone should have extra socks because, hey, when you get holes in your socks and your socks are wet or whatever, you need to change them. And if you don't have enough socks around, your feet are really going to be hating you. Now, one of the things I like is wool socks, and I know some people can't wear wool socks. Then you should stock up on some good all cotton socks. But wool socks keep me nice and warm. They protect my feet. They're a little bit thicker and add more padding inside my boots when I'm walking around and stuff. And as you can see here, I got them inside a Ziploc bag. Why? Well, one reason why is moths. Moths love wool, and I hate the smell of mothballs. So I keep my the unopened packages of wool socks I have sealed up in Ziploc bags to protect them. Also, if there's a leak or anything in the roof, they're protected. They're going to stay dry. Also, if I need to, I can just grab some, toss it in the truck with some other gear if I need to go out somewhere, and I know I'm going to have some dry socks when I'm out there. All right? So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. All right? And before I take off, I want to put a video up here that you might be interested in. I'm going to put another playlist down here that you also should find interesting. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound right up here. Alrighty? Take care, and I'll see you around.